Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video I'm going to show you a design using transfer foil and a stamping plate. So we've got our tape and we've got our gel polish porcelain from the new collection. And I'm going to use this for a base. So we'll do 2 coats of this colour. Gorgeous base colour. Pop that into the lamp. Then we're going to take our transfer foil, glue, do a coat of that all over. Cure that. Got these transfer foils and I think I'm going to use the blue one because it's so bright. And I'm just going to randomly stick it. Oh, God. Oh, that looks so good. Don't want to cover that whole background, so we'll just do that much. Then our stamping plate, I'm going to use this rose design, it's gorgeous. And for the stamping plates, you need to use stamping polish. So take our black stamping polish, pop it over half. Hope that it picks it up. Maybe you're right. We'll keep that because it looks funky. And of course we'll make a mess with this stuff. Don't use your best table or anything. That just needs a couple of seconds to air dry. Dries really fast, so then you can pop some top coat on. Pop it in the lamp, give it a couple of seconds drying time. And pop some top coat over the whole thing. And pop that back into the lamp. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other tips and tricks you would like to know, please comment down below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.